Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best Dutch oven that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Staub Round Cocotte, 5.5 quart. If you're willing to spend a bit of coin to secure one of the best Dutch ovens in the market, a Regal Staub Round Cocotte won't disappoint. Cocotte is the French term for a Dutch oven, and this Alsace-based legacy cookware brand certainly knows its way around a beautiful piece of cast iron cookware. Staub's Cocotte comes in several sizes and a cacophony of colors, 10 to be exact, all with a durable enamel finish and solid cast iron core. Staub's Dutch oven features a self-basting lid with spikes on the underside to encourage an even and continuous trickle of juices while cooking. At number 4, Calphalon Contemporary with glass lid. Enameled cast iron is the most popular material for these pots, but there are also stainless steel Dutch ovens available, such as this one from Calphalon. The biggest benefit will be weight, or lack thereof, but it won't hold heat quite as well as cast iron. The 5-quart covered Dutch oven is made from stainless steel and features an aluminum core which helps with heat conductivity. It's also oven and dishwasher safe, even with its lid. The brushed exterior has a sleek, modern look. A glass lid is nice for keeping an eye on cooking progress without letting heat escape if you're the impatient type. At number 3, Amazon Commercial 8-piece stainless steel induction ready cookware set. This was maddening to me because I have a smooth top stove and when that happens they don't heat evenly, leaving hot spots with some food scorched and some food underdone. These are very sturdy, have a nice heft, and have nice thick bottoms. The handles do not get hot, the bottoms heat evenly and quickly, and the lids fit nicely. The large long-handled sauce pan is my go-to staple in the kitchen right now. I may have to buy another. It is in constant rotation. I had my family over for the latest holiday and we are all big cooks. Everyone remarked on how nice these pans are. You must know how to cook in stainless steel to enjoy these. Let the food naturally release and clean up will be a breeze. Better suited for pan-searing a steak than stir-frying rice. At number 2, Heiss Lightweight Cast Aluminum Braiser Pan, Casserole Dish. Well received this Dutch oven and I was prepared to love it. Opened the box, weight was perfect. Took off the lid and there it was, a chip on the inside finish. Now I read all the reviews and saw that quite a few people complained of the same problem, but when I looked at the date I thought, well, that's been several years back and surely they have corrected the problem. Not. The manufacturer apparently does not care that there are problems with this product. Really unfortunate because I definitely would not recommend buying this pan until this problem is corrected. At number 1, 8-inch aluminum Dutch oven liner pans. This 8 inches extra deep cake pan is ideal for large round cakes. For easier portability, each container features a full curl raised rim. Each pan measure 8 inches, and this pack contains 10 round pans. This heavy-duty aluminum pan is suitable for baking, freezing, and storage. Great for home cooks, chefs and bakers. Bake your cakes in style with our decorative cake pans. These classic shapes are ideal for cake recipes and a variety of delicious desserts, including pound cake, fruit cake, angel food cake, cinnamon buns, chiffon cake, and more. You can use these pans on birthdays, picnics, weddings, patriotic events, dinners, and parties. It can be used to make for brownies, ice cream, muffins, cupcakes, cake mix, and wedding mini cakes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.